Well, good morning, everybody. This is Tish. Just doing what I do. Subdivision gardener. I'm up early. I've been up since probably since 3, but it's time for me to go out. It's early, not too early. The kids are going out to school about 7, 8 o'clock. Where it's time for me to get out there and start pruning my fruit trees. I had to watch a couple videos this morning to make sure that if I prune them, I am going to be pruning them right because I don't want to be cutting away my good stuff and supposed to be bad stuff, but hey, I'm just gonna do it. I found out that my rose bush is all out of whack and I'm thinking it's gonna be beautiful, but I need to cut it back. It's time to. I have started up my grow lights. I already set it up. This is still have some in here, but as you can see over here, guess what? Everything mostly is out of the chamber over here. I call it the chamber, the heat chamber. Everything mostly out of there. And now I got a couple more that's in there, and I have herbs in there. But now I have everything on the grow lights. So I have to get some more lights for these, but I'm getting another cart to add to this section too because the big load of seedlings is coming up in March. So I need the space. So let's get started. And I'm going to take you, and if you hear the music or the sound in the background, don't be alarmed. It's my Bible reading, audio for Audible. And I love to keep my plants and anything that I'm growing that allow them to have that Bible reading as well in the morning. And we'll be having on our spiritual music as well, my worship music. So excuse that, and I don't own the rights to it. So I'm going to take you out there to where I'm going to be working this morning. And I'm going to turn this back up for my plants and everything. And we're going to go and go, okay? Hold it a second. All right. So I have my dog, the neighbor's dog barking, so you might not be able to see anything. This is my rose bush here. The one I have, the one that survived, the one that I can work with. And I was learning how to prune it. I'm going to bring you up a little closer this morning on a video. So I'm looking at it and making sure that I hope I'm going to do what I was supposed to do to prune back this rose bush. It said the flimsy leaf branches, making sure it's back on. That came right on off. So this one, I'm gonna start at the bottom first. I'm gonna try to put it in the other. If I did something wrong, then guess what? I'll find out. I think I'm supposed to cut it back lower than this, but I'm going to keep it the way it is. I think it'd be okay. I don't know. Still learning. Anything to try to come back. I gotta do some more pruners. Alright, I think that's good for right now. I'm going to come back and I'll pick that up. And so now let me go on to the next tree right here. and I'm going to prune this. And I know I'm going to need some sticks to go in and out of this. I didn't see any buds. I see a little bit coming up. Everything look green. This coming in. Cut it nice and hard. This frosting is going to happen. And this is crossing over here. Well, let's see if that one. Alright. Once they're on that big, we didn't want no crossing. This bush should be fine. This is my blueberry bush. Right here. Tree. I don't think I need to cut it, but I was learning that you want it to outface the way you want to graft it, so it won't go so taller. So I'm gonna have to cut the top so it won't keep going over the center notch, keep going up. I want it to go out, so I have one here going out, one here going out. So I'm gonna have to cut this so it won't, it can redirect the growth. One thing I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I don't want my peach tree to grow any taller than that. So what I'm going to do is to leave it right there where it's at. But I'm going to try to trim it back. No, I'm going to trim it back to a notch right down there, and so it won't be so tall. I don't want it to. New peach tree, but I didn't want it to keep growing tall. I wanted to stop so it can branch out. I forgot the name of that type of, but hey, that's gone. So now I have finished this part of what I'm doing today. Is I have finished pruning all my fruit trees, getting it ready for the new season. And stay tuned. I'll be having another video on my next project for today. Be blessed. This Tish Subdivisional Gardening. Please subscribe to my channel. It will be different. I'll have different videos I'll be doing today, but it will be coming in different times. So this is the one I'm pruning my fruit trees. Have a blessed day. And also thank you for tuning in to Subdivision Gardening. Tish, just doing what I do. And please subscribe to my channel to find out more content. I'm learning as I go, and as you support me, I support you, and we grow together. Okay, be blessed.